Hello, my beautiful people. Thanks for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback for the previous episode. If you're new here, we highly recommend watching the last video where we talked about the US and Canada. Now, let's see how much you remember. Is the US-Canada border one of the shortest in the world? No, it is the longest undefended border in the world. Do the US and Canada speak completely different languages? No. Both countries primarily speak English, though Canada also speaks French. Have the US and Canada ever fought in modern wars against each other? No. They have been allies for more than 200 years. Do they trade a lot with each other? Yes, they trade billions of dollars in goods and services every year. Is Canada ruled by a king or queen? Yes, Canada recognizes the British monarch as the ceremonial head of state. Do Canadians have universal health care? Yes, Canada provides universal health care to its citizens. Are sports a point of rivalry between the US and Canada? Yes, especially in hockey and other international competitions. Is there a real political rivalry between the two countries? No, their relationship is based on cooperation, not conflict. Do Americans and Canadians travel freely across their shared border? Yes, thousands of people cross the border every day for tourism, work, and trade. Are the US and Canada good examples of peaceful international neighbors? Yes, they are often seen as a model for cooperation between countries. Watch the video again if you need to review. And don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you never miss a chance to keep learning. See you soon for another great cultural journey.